Good morning on day 3. We left Witch's Creek Caravan and Campsite and we've got a little drama. First drama on our trip. My charger, my quad lock charger is not working well. It's charging intermittently and well, now it's working, but in the morning it wasn't, and I found out what's going on, what's the matter. So I've got a little charging cable here, and once I've opened this one, look what's happened. There's dirt. It's corroded, I think, in time. It's the same in another one over there. So we're here in Halfords in Perth. I will try to find a solution. But yeah, today we're going to Skeleton Distillery. 10 past 1, so we've still got 3 hours and like 2.5 hours drive, so we need to go quick. Alright, let's sort it out. The chap was a superstar actually, so I bought electric contact cleaner and let's see if it works. First, as you can see, it's
it's fast drying, so
yeah, hopefully
you shouldn't worry too much.
But it disappeared already.
Yeah?
Thing is, I didn't unplug it.
Oh, don't worry. It should be. The bike is off, so it's always
no,
fine.
it's connected to the
okay.
battery. But this bit is fine. Yeah, let's switch it off first. Hold on. Okay, so we managed to open the seat. I switched off the quad lock, the off one, and Chris is doing his magic.
Alright, it's all wet.
Let's leave it now. In the meantime, we're not wasting time, we're gonna clean the chain.
That's fine then.
Let's see if it works in a minute.
Yeah.
Let's find out.
Smile.
Yeah, tell me about yesterday. How did you find it yesterday? Was it good?
Yeah, yesterday was.
I can just pop it somewhere here.
Yeah, yesterday was really
So
nice.
yesterday, because we didn't talk to the camera yesterday, didn't we? So because we were so tired out.
No, we were busy doing the real stuff.
Yeah, the real stuff. We didn't want to really. We didn't have power and energy to do it, isn't it?
No.
It was a whole day.
Yesterday we've done 200 miles. And we've seen that national park, which was.
Do you remember the name of the park?
I can't remember.
Okay, we might be able to Google it later on. I can just post it
Yes.
on the side. And actually, I can post the whole road because I took a screenshot as well. So I'll show you the map now where we were. And yeah, it was 230 miles, wasn't it?
Initially, but we skipped the
Last bit.
one stop because we meant to go to Oban.
Yes.
But we decided to do it another day.
Yeah.
Well, we still have the whole week, so it's on the kind of like western coast. We were told that the area over there is really nice. The roads are good. But
the roads yesterday, I loved it. We go on the roads, so quiet, so peaceful, no cars, no nothing. Asphalt was very good. The roads were so nice and smooth. Actually, no rain.
No
It
rain.
didn't rain.
No rain. Beautiful vistas along the way, and it was like what, 15 miles or something like that. Just
50 miles, corner by corner. You just go left, right, and normally up and down, up and down. It was like a roller coaster. I was having so much fun. I was like a little kid. I was like left, right, and then you think it's gonna be over, and then again, and then you get out from the corner and there's this view, mountains, water. I was like, oh, bloody hell.
yeah, it was beautiful. Along like 10-15 miles ride, we encountered maybe 3 cars, maybe 4.
There was no cars. The thing is, we realized there are speed cameras on the way back.
Yeah, but that was another road. That was another road.
But no, we went through this road. But
yes.
First thing we went, like I was like,
But the quiet one,
Yeah.
definitely there was no camera.
Yeah,
I'm pretty
so.
sure.
We didn't speed much, but the thing is, it's so easy on these bikes to just go like 10 miles, 20 miles over the limit in literally split seconds. And you know, when you're having fun looking at the road, you don't really follow the speedo, isn't it? You just you just go for it as you feel, and then you realize, oh, it's actually 80 miles per hour or 70 miles per hour. Of course, you reduce it straight away, but you know what I mean? So if we didn't spot any camera, we would be screwed.
Well,
actually.
unfortunately,
Hopefully, there's no tickets after this.
well, the criticism has to go to the government that imposes such a ridiculous speed limit, which is absolutely insane.
Yeah,
Absolutely insane.
I agree. Okay, we managed to get it to work. There is a light. Good. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last, but at least we've got charging for now. Okay, let's go. The weather is not great. It's raining, so I'm not recording on the road. I'm really sorry, but I'm sure we're gonna have a chance to get plenty of views later on. Right. I'll check in once we get there. Distillery. Right, so we finished our tour in Singleton Distillery. That was very nice. Distillery was nice.
Yes.
I really enjoyed it.
We had a chance to smell the moonshine.
Yes.
And smell the, what was the name of it? The mash, that fermented muddy water.
I'm not sure what was that. It's called. Yeah, I know what you're talking about, but I don't remember. But it was good. It was good to see the whole process of distillation and how the whiskey is made. So tomorrow we're going to compare it, our experience with Old Pulteney. Near Wick, is it? It's near Wick, isn't it? Yeah. So we're heading now to Wick, and we officially starting NC 500. So that was one of our main points of this journey. So NC 500, I love Sky. I love Sky. It's gonna be cool as well. So yeah, I'm gonna put camera this time on my helmet, so I might record a little bit more because that's what I want to capture actually. So yeah. Okay. Weather is alright.
Yes.
It's raining a little bit, so that's good.
Yeah,
because we like at least we need some wet.
It broken down for a moment. It was a bit sunny, but luckily it improved. So
we got a bit of rain, so that's good. That's what we want. That's what we want in Scotland.
We like when angels piss on us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
It's a fetish.
We like to, we like to ride our bikes in the rain. That's the best experience ever. Just normal driving is boring.
Well, I think practically about that, we have better tire thermal control in the rain. We don't overheat the tires.
I can't see anything when I drive. It's fun. I don't know how about your visor, but
I'm using echolocation. I hear everything.
I can't see anything. Let's get this to the right. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
2 rams.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, oh god, I haven't got much battery. The problem with charger is still ongoing, so we've got a temporary solution. So I managed to plug my phone into power bank. So yeah, god, it can't be easy. It's never easy, but it's good. Right, let's hit the NC 500. Let's go.